Today on Lord Gizmo, we are diving into the world of Campcolic and an amazingly talented man who builds an extraordinary wooden cabin from scratch, all from basic tools and materials. If you would like to follow Campcolic's adventures, please click on the link in our description. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's get our toolbox organized. Oh wait, we don't have one? No problem. Why buy when we can build a rugged, all-natural wooden toolbox fit for a Viking? Let's get this structure off the ground. First, we dig some holes, plant sturdy tree stumps for the foundation, and lock them in place. Once that's done, it's time to square up the floor framing, because nobody wants a cabin that feels like a funhouse. Time to lay down the flooring. We start by placing sturdy wooden planks, setting the stage for our soon-to-be masterpiece. Next, we mark out the 4 wall corners and line up the wall studs, because even a cabin needs a solid backbone. Bracing and stud work. Now this is where the magic happens. Every cut, every nail, and every perfectly placed beam shows pure craftsmanship. Just look at the precision. Time for some cladding. With each wooden plank going up, the cabin starts looking less like a skeleton and more like a masterpiece. Cladding is the easiest wall option for a wooden cabin because it's essentially a layered skin, simple to install, highly customizable, and incredibly effective, making it a quick and efficient way to enclose the structure. It also allows for natural expansion and contraction of the wood, preventing cracks and warping. Next up, the ridge beam bearing, the backbone of the roof. This beam takes on the heavy lifting, holding the entire roofing structure together like a champion. Once it's in place, the rafters will lock in, giving the cabin its final shape. Isn't it amazing how everything is coming together? From just a few basic materials to a full-fledged cabin, it's like watching pure craftsmanship unfold. Honestly, after seeing this, I'm tempted to grab some tools and build my own little hideaway. Time to get the roof on. With the ridge beam in place, the rafters lock in like puzzle pieces, creating a sturdy frame. Now, we lay down the roofing panels. Let's build a ladder, because why not? Climbing up like a mountain goat is fun and all, but a sturdy wooden ladder just adds that touch of civilization. Now for a bit of tidying up. Sawdust everywhere, spare planks scattered around. Looks like a woodworking tornado just passed through. Time to clean up and smooth out the edges. Time to weatherproof the roof with felt. Like a raincoat for the cabin, it keeps moisture out and warmth in. Look at how easy it is to build sturdy, safe windows. A few precise cuts, a solid frame, and just like that, we have windows that let in light without letting in the elements. securing the roof with a king truss, or at least that's what we're calling it. This strong central support locks everything in place, adding stability and ensuring the roof stands firm for years to come. A cabin isn't complete without a porch, so let's get it squared up. And why stop there? Adding a roof takes it to the next level. More shade, more comfort, and the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors, rain or shine. Moving on to the door frame. A solid, well-measured frame is key to a snug fit. No wobbles, no drafts. Precise cuts, sturdy joints, and proper alignment ensure the door swings smoothly and seals properly. After all, what's a cabin without a proper entrance? Some handrails for the porch? Sure, why not? They add safety, a touch of style, and a place to casually lean while admiring the view. And let's not forget the flooring. Sturdy, well-secured planks to complete the space. With these final touches, this porch is built to last. For all of you who dread building steps, take notes. This is how it's done. Precise cuts, sturdy risers, and perfectly spaced treads come together seamlessly. It's not just functional, it's a work of craftsmanship. Just look at it, pure craftsmanship. Every detail, every joint, every perfectly placed board comes together beautifully. Isn't that just a sight to admire? Finishing off with a bit of weatherproofing, sealing up the cabin with a sturdy door and a protective roof. Now, rain, wind, or shine, this cabin stays cozy and secure. The perfect final touch to a masterpiece built to last. Next up, if you thought that was impressive, just wait. Now, we're taking things to the next level, literally, as we build the mezzanine, a raised platform for extra space, whether for sleeping, storage, or just adding that cozy loft vibe. Strong beams, solid flooring, and just like that, the cabin gets an upgrade. Time to seal up those open gaps between the boards and add the final touches. A little precision work here and there, and the cabin is fully insulated against drafts and moisture. Time to add some mezzanine safety rails, a sturdy barrier to keep things secure, because taking an unexpected shortcut to the floor isn't part of the plan. A cabin isn't complete without a stool, of course. Whether it's for sitting, reaching high shelves, or just adding a rustic touch, a sturdy wooden stool is a must. And there she is, a fully built cabin that proves anyone can do it. From the foundation to the finishing touches, every piece came together beautifully. Honestly, after watching this, I think I'll build instead of buy in the future. All thanks to Camp Kolik. But don't go anywhere just yet. You won't want to miss the next addition to the cabin. Time for the final touches. Installing sturdy window knobs for a polished finish, adding a simple table for practicality, and of course, a cabin stove to keep things warm and cozy. What more could you want? What a handy foldable table. Practical, space-saving, and perfect for a cabin. Use it when you need it, fold it away when you don't. Simple, efficient, and just plain clever. Let's get a stove installed. But safety first. We're adding a heat shield to protect the flooring and constructing a proper ventilation exhaust to keep the cabin smoke-free. Now, we've got warmth, safety, and that perfect rustic charm all in one. Of course, the stove exhaust needs a safe and efficient escape to the outside. A well-placed chimney pipe ensures proper ventilation, directing smoke out while keeping the warmth in. And finally, we direct the smoke away from the cabin. A properly positioned chimney cap and flue ensure that smoke vents safely without lingering around. A cabin that's not just beautiful, but also safe and practical. Every detail, from the sturdy foundation to the secure ventilation system, ensures this isn't just a showpiece, but a fully functional retreat. With proper insulation, a reliable stove, weatherproofing, and smart space-saving features, this cabin is built for comfort, durability, and year-round use. What an amazing transformation by Kampkulik! From raw materials to a fully functional cabin, this build was nothing short of impressive. If you'd like to check out more of his incredible adventures, follow the link in the description. And don't forget to let me know. Would you like to see more videos like this?